Hey, this is Brian Pintar with your weekly Friday weekly market update. My car is actually in the shop, so I'm working remotely over at a Starbucks up in Evergreen. Fortunately, the car is getting a four-wheel drive fix, and since it hasn't stopped snowing all day, probably needs to be fixed. Anyways, a couple things. The headline I talked about was where the news gets interest rates incorrect, and the news is basing a lot of their interest rate projections based on mortgage-backed securities and their values. It's true that MBS prices are up over the last 5 weeks. The higher the MBS price, or sorry, the MBS prices are down. The lower the MBS price, higher the interest rate. However, because we have stability in trading, that stability actually creates less risk for secondary markets, which allows interest rates to technically be lower than they were even 5 weeks ago. So it's important to know the big headline, though, is mortgage applications are up 8% in December into January. That is a big headline because applications are up. However, inventory is not up. Every offer I wrote this week, every offer letter I wrote for my real estate partners had multiple offers. And that's only going to continue to increase over the years as interest rates start to come down more and more. So if you need anything, let me know. Now is probably the best time to buy a house because it is cheaper to buy with a higher interest rate than it is buying in the summer with 20 other offers and buying 20% above list price. Whatever you need, I'm here for you. Hope you have a great day.